And as we watch the developments on AI and, of course, the meltdown on stocks that has been brought on by what we've seen with Anthropic news, we are talking about the business of Cognizant as well, which has kicked off its earnings season. It has happened on a stronger than expected note. It's topping its fourth quarter revenue guidance and showing these early signs that its billion-dollar AI and cloud pivot is beginning to pay off. The company has posted $5.3 billion in fourth quarter revenue, which is up nearly 5%, with the full year numbers rising to $21.1 billion. So what really stands out is the deal momentum for Cognizant. Bookings are up 9% and a dozen large deals have been signed just last quarter itself. And this even as clients remain cautious with all their discretionary spends. And the outlook ahead is not very shy either. For 2026, Cognizant is guiding 4 to 6.5% growth in constant currency and expects adjusted EPS in the $5.56 to $5.7 range, with the first quarter guidance now landing comfortably ahead of the expectations of the street. So all of this is pointing to one clear trend, that the new wave of AI-led transformation is not a threat, it is an expansion, at least from Cognizant's perspective. In fact, we got their take from the management earlier in the conference call on how the new tech stack is opening up fresh opportunities for the company.
I see this as an increase in our total addressable spend. I mean, if you're referring to what's happening in the last few days, I can tell you any tool, any technology will magically not generate value on the other side. You need a bridge, and that bridge is what companies like Cognizant do. And I'm going to be precise on what I mean. You can't apply this technology on existing old processes. So you have to reinvent and reimagine a process. So we see this as a net new tailwind for us on two swim lanes. On the traditional software, apply it, and do more for less and get more consumption because of elasticity, take out technical debt, take out the backlog. On the other end, apply this on a much new addressable spend, which classical software didn't penetrate. So I see this as more of a bigger opportunity for us and with a higher surface area for us to actually operate. So this is tailwind. We are turning out to be winners. Our builder strategy is working.
Right, so at a time when headlines are full of anxiety around artificial intelligence and what it could mean for jobs, one of India's biggest AI-led companies is heading to debut on the large street soon.